their marriage for 3 menstrual periods, and it is not lawful for them to conceal what Allah has created in their wombs. If they believe in Allah and the last day, and their husbands have the better right to take them back in that period. If they wish for reconciliation, and the women have rights over their husbands as regards living expenses, similar to those of their husbands over them as regards obedience and respect to what is reasonable, but when have a degree of responsibility over them, and Allah is Almighty, all wise. और मुतल्लका औरतें 3 हैज तक अपने आप को इंतज़ार में रखें। उनके लिए जायज़ नहीं कि अल्लाह ने उनके लिए पेट में जो कुछ पैदा किया उसे छुपाएं। अगर वो अल्लाह और रोज़ आखिरत पर ईमान रखती हैं तो ऐसा हरगिज़ ना करें। उनके ख़ाविंद अगर इस्लाह का इरादा रखते हों तो वो ज़्यादा हकदार हैं कि उन्हें इस मुद्दत में लौटा लें। और दस्तूर के मुताबिक औरतों के लिए मर्दों पर वैसे ही हुकूक़ हैं जैसे मर्दों के लिए औरतों पर हैं। मर्दों के लिए उन पर एक फजीलत है और अल्लाह गालिब खूब हिकमत वाला है। So this is very clear about the matter of talaq. How deal in saying someone given talaq 1, then they wait up to 3 months. If in this period her husband want to take back, he could do that. And same time, if woman in the time of talaq they have any pregnancy, she not want to hide. She wait until the pregnancies get finished. And this Allah Ta'ala's order, and Allah saying who do is khair for them. And again Allah Ta'ala is saying, how have rights to women? Same thing men also have. How have men rights to women? And same thing, have women also. Equal. Only one thing Allah Ta'ala made honor for men, that to take care all of the expenses and all of the outside affairs. This is Allah Ta'ala saying this. Allah says finally, Allah knows all of the hikmah and everything over them, and Allah is Almighty and All-Wise. الطلاق مرتان فإمساكم بمعروف أو تصريح بإحسان ولا يحل لكم أن تأخذوا مما آتيتموهن شيئا إلا أن يخافا ألا يقيما حدود الله فإن خفتم ألا يقيما حدود الله فلا جناح عليهما فيما افتدت به تلك حدود الله فلا تعتدوها ومن يتعد حدود الله فأولئك هم الظالمون. The divorce is twice. After that, either you return her on reasonable terms or release her with kindness. And it is not lawful for you, men, to take back from your wives any of your meher, bridal money given by the husband to his wife at the time of marriage, which you have given them, except when both parties fear that they would be unable to keep the limits ordained by Allah Ta'ala, etc., to deal with each other on a fair basis. Then if you fear that they would not be able to keep the limits ordained by Allah, then there is no sin on either of them if she gives back the meher or a part of it. For her, al-khula, divorce, these are the limits ordained by Allah. So do not transgress them. And whoever transgresses the limits ordained by Allah, then such are the zalimun, wrongdoers. तलाक रजाई 2 मरतबा है, फिर या तो औरत को दस्तूर के मुताबिक रोक लिया जाए या भलाई के साथ छोड़ दिया जाए। तुम्हारे लिए जायज़ नहीं कि तुम उन्हें जो दे चुके हो उसमें से कुछ वापस लो, इल्ला ये कि दोनों को डर हो कि वो अल्लाह की हदें कायम ना रख सकेंगे। बस अगर तुम्हें डर हो कि वो दोनों अल्लाह की हदें कायम ना रख सकेंगे तो उन दोनों पर कोई गुनाह नहीं कि औरत फिदिये में वो माल दे कर खुला हासिल कर ले। ये अल्लाह की हदें हैं, सो तुम उनसे आगे ना बढ़ो। जो लोग अल्लाह की हदों से तजावुज़ करते हैं वही जालिम हैं। See, Allah Ta'ala says talaq, you given one, you could, again consider and make marriage and patch up and everything. And same time you do that ties. In there you not want to give anything, we not put any burden. Okay, you give me this and you give that. We not put like this, big musibah and trial. But again, Allah Ta'ala saying, you guys feel, staying together is get harder, then it's better, nicely, we make separation. But everything, Allah Ta'ala saying, keep in limit and remember Allah and do whatever, you have to do properly, with politely, with humbly, with, respectfully, with carefully, and at the same time what Allah says in Quran and Sunnah we need to follow, not want to go more than that. And meher also we not want to ask in the time of talaq, give my meher. If there have any other issue major, that is different thing, but generally meher should do after marriage right away, and people not giving that is not right thing, and that people is get big sin. And Allah Ta'ala saying in the time of talaq also not want to ask back meher. We take care very carefully. وَإِن طَلَّقَهَا فَلَا تَحِلُّ لَهُ مِن بَعْدُ حَتَّى تَنكِحَ زَوْجًا غَيْرَهُ وَإِن طَلَّقَهَا فَلَا جُنَاحَ عَلَيْهِمَا أَن يَتَرَاجَعَا إِن ظَنَّا أَن يُقِيمَا حُدُودَ اللَّهِ وَتِلْكَ حُدُودُ اللَّهِ يُبَيِّنُهَا لِقَوْمٍ يَعْلَمُونَ. And if he has divorced her the third times, then she is not lawful to him thereafter until she has married another husband. Then, if the other husband divorce her, it is no sin on both of them that they renege, provided they feel that they can keep the limit ordained by Allah. These are the limits of Allah, which He makes plan for the people who have knowledge. फिर अगर वो खाविंद उसे तीसरी तलाक दे दे तो उसके बाद वो औरत उसके लिए हलाल नहीं, यहाँ तक कि वो उसके अलावा किसी और खाविंद से निकाह करे। फिर अगर वो भी उसे तलाक दे दे तो उन दोनों साबिक़ा मियाँ बीवी पर कोई गुनाह नहीं कि आपस में रुजू करें, अगर वो दोनों ख्याल करें कि अल्लाह की हदें कायम रख सकेंगे। ये अल्लाह की हदें हैं और अल्लाह उन्हें उन लोगों के लिए बयान करता है जो इल्म रखते हैं। See again, Allah Ta'ala talk about who have 3 talaq, that person not want to go back, and then not lawful to make patch up and fix again until the woman go and marry other person and again got some issue that person and got divorced. Then first what got divorced, they'll come back and patch up. And that also everything Allah is saying, if you take caring properly, if you following all of the limits, then you allowed, otherwise it's not. And Allah Ta'ala address very clearly how to deal the talaq and how to manage family life and how to work with husband and wife. There are many details. It's not easy to talk in less time and short and sweet. There anybody need more detail, feel free and ask, and inshallah I explain you detail. But generally Allah Ta'ala mentioned in this ayahs which I brought in front of you, how to take care in the time of talaq and how to help each other and how to work to get separate for sake of Allah if there are major problem. But still in all of these issues it's good to involve ulama, muftiyan ikram to get right guidance to follow Quran and Sunnah. Then inshallah stay away from all of the sin. We do our own somehow, some way, we slip and we get the whisper of shayateen, and we get mistrack and we go in wrong path. That's why we take this. This is very major matter, very important matter, very serious matter, and talaq is not a small issue. We not deal ourselves until we not involve our ulama and muftiyan ikram to get right, right guidance and superiority and like supervision. Allah help us to understand. And there are a lot of tafsil. I made only short to get easy to little bit you understand. But anybody want more detail, feel free to ask. Inshallah, I explain. Today the subject of talaq. That's why I discuss this everything, whatever in Quran mentioned, short and sweet. But this is not complete. There are many details. We need to sit if we need anybody problem family to see what should do and where we standing. That get right help. Jazakallah khairan. Allah help us to do that. Allah forgive our shortcoming. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin.